Come, let's easily learn. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please like, subscribe and give your comments. மறக்காம நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. அப்பதான் எங்களுடைய எல்லா வீடியோவும் உங்களுக்கு உடனடியாக வந்து சேரும்.
Welcome to Easily Learn, NCERT CBSE Class 7 Mathematics. Chapter 2 Fractions and Decimals. In exercise 2.4, we are going to see now the third and the fourth question. We know that this exercise is full of divisions of fractions. So the third question is a fraction divided by a whole number. So now fractions divisions na enna pannuvom, the first fraction அப்படியே வெச்சுக்குவோம். Then we will multiply with the reciprocal of the second one. இப்போ இங்க யூசுவலா ப்ரீவியஸ் சம்ஸ் பார்க்கும்போது இங்க fractions இருந்துச்சு. இப்போ இங்க ஒரு whole number இருக்கு. whole numberனாலே நமக்கு தெரியும் anything we can take it as divide by 1 because anything divided by 1 is the same number. So we will keep the same fractions 1 by 3 and division is converted into multiplication and the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Now we know that the whole number is divided by 1 gives the same. So we take it as 2 by 1. So the reciprocal is 1 by 2. So now we cannot cancel any numerator or denominator. So we will multiply as it is 7 by 6. Maybe if you want you can convert this into a mixed fraction. Otherwise you can keep this like this. If they ask you to bring it to the lowest form or to the mixed fraction, then you can convert this one. So next one 4 by 9 divided by 5. So 4 by 9, find the reciprocal of this one. 5 is 1 by 5. Then multiply. So 4 into 1, 9 into 5. 4 by 45 is a proper fraction. So we keep as it is. Next one 6 by 13 divided by 7. 6 by 13, reciprocal of the divisor is 1 by 7. Then we multiply. 6 into 1, 13 into 7. We cannot cancel anything. So we'll just multiply and write 6 by 13 7s are 91. Since it is a proper fraction, we don't do anything. We keep as it is. Next one, they are given a mixed fraction first. 4 1 by 3 divided by 3. So we will convert this into a improper and then we will proceed for the division part. So 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13 by 3 divided by 3 as it is. Now only I am going to do the operation for division. So 13 by 3 into reciprocal is 1 by 3. இதை பார்த்தோன்னா நீங்கள் வேகமாக கேன்சல் பண்ணிடாதீங்க because both are in the denominator place. So you cannot do anything. So 13 into 1 is 13 by 9. The next one 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. So first we have to convert this one. So 3 into 3 2 so 6 plus 1 7 by 2 divided by 4. So now we have to do the operation for division of fractions. 7 by 2 into 4 is reciprocal is 1 by 4. So இதையும் cancel பண்ணிடாதீங்க because both are in the denominator place. We can cancel only a numerator and a denominator only. 7 by 8. Next one 4 3 by 7 divided by 7. So when you convert this into improper you will get 28 plus 3 31 by 7 divided by 7. So now we will find the reciprocal of 7 1 by 7. So 31 by 7 into 1 by 7 31 by 49 is a proper fraction. Question number 4 also the same thing but two fractions are given. So 2 by 5 into reciprocal is 2 by 1. So we cannot cancel anything. So we will multiply and write 4 by 5. Next in 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. So 4 by 9 into reciprocal is 3 by 2. So now you can cancel. I think you can cancel these two by using the 2 table. So 1 2. And if you see, these two also is in the 3 table. So you can cancel 1, 3. So now here it is 2. Here you have 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2 by, in the denominator place you have 3 and 1. 3. And next one, 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. 3 by 7 into, this reciprocal is 7 by 8. So 7 is here and 7 is the denominator also. You can cancel these two. Okay. So you have only 3 divided by 8. And here 2. Okay, இது வந்து mixed ஆ கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. So first convert this into a improper. 6 plus 1 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. நான் அப்படியே போட்டிருக்கேன். Now I am going to convert into the division part. 7 by 3 into reciprocal is 5 by 3. So I cannot cancel anything. So 7 5s are 35 by 9. Next 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. So convert this. You will get 7 by 2 into reciprocal is 3 by 8. So here also cannot cancel anything. So I just multiply. 7 3s are 21 by 2 into 8, 16. So next come here, 2 by 3 divided by a mixed fraction. So 2 by 3, first in the mixed fraction convert பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So 2 by 5 into, இதோட reciprocal 2 by 3. So now we cannot do anything, cancel. So just multiply and write. So next one, ரெண்டுமே mixed ஆ கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. So first இதை convert பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 15 plus 1 16 by 5 divided by 3 plus 2 5 by 3. And now you go to the operation, okay, division operation part. 16 by 5 into இதோட reciprocal 3 by 5. You cannot cancel anything, so just multiply and write 48 by 25. And this one 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 5. ரெண்டுமே mixed fraction, so convert 1 by 1. So 2 1 by 5, this is 10 10 plus 1 11 by 5 divided by 5 plus 1 6 by 5. So now you find the reciprocal and multiply. 11 by 5 into 5 by 6. So now we can cancel these two. So 11 by 6 is the answer. Hope it was clear for you. Thank you.
Hope you all loved this video. Please subscribe, like and share to encourage us. Thank you for watching.